Have you ever looked at your Google Play balance and thought, man, I wish I could just run this into real cash? Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to move your Google Play balance straight to your Cash App safely, legally, and step by step. So stick around because I have got a simple method that actually works. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I make quick and easy guides to help you move your money smarter online. So if you love saving time and cash, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads. How to transfer Google Play balance to Cash App. Step 1. Convert your Google Play balance to cashable credit since Google Play balance can't go straight into Cash App. Step 2. Redeem the gift card. Once you have got that gift card, head to the website or app it is meant for. Like for example, if it is a PayPal gift card, redeem it into your PayPal balance. Step 3. Transfer to your Cash App. You can check out the video we already made on how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App to get detailed explanation of this step. And that's it. You have just turned your Google Play balance into real cash in your Cash App. If this helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button, drop a comment saying cashed out, and I might just give you a shout out in the next video.